This is not the golden age of kwaito, so it's safe to listen to lyrics.
But not all the songs. Like, lyrics.
But that's what I'm saying.
Ikwaito enye into brapha abantu ikwaito ngazi bacabanga mababhale ngoma sometimes yaba sikhumula bathe bajikutha sekugcwele yini igcwele kweleni serious that's a song yaba sikhumula bajika haba sekugcwele
I choose number one.
papa uthini kahle kahle mara
But it's the same with Anita Baker. I mean, who can sing along to an Anita Baker song? Same thing. Even Michael Jackson.
even Lira.
Shed Drive.
Yeah, it's not even Shed Drive now. It's Walk This Way with Skumba. Hashtag.
Yes, Kumba.
It's a hashtag that I'm using. It's what's wrong with these people?
What is the hashtag?
Walk This Way with Skumba.
To collect wheelchairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Proudly powered by Kaya FM and Johnny Walker Black or Johnny Walk. That's what we are doing this July. Yeah. Pretoria, bayashisa Pretoria. Bashisa yonke into ePitori lalela manje abasashisi amabhasi bashisa ama room manje batshontsha imibhede and yazi ePitori igcola amandebela abaningi and yazi amandebela amele ukuya entabeni besathola umbhede akithi asisebenza bayashisa khumutso and Atteridgeville Castle ngaka bacela bashisa itayela eli1 ngoba ngathi kushilo Atteridgeville ngaka kuli one tire but woo asiye emsebenzi bale ma clinic bavale khumutso lalela iAtteridgeville itraje zi16 nje bashise one tire yaphuma endabeni yavela ku CNN ngathi lapha ujwele Bob ukuthi tell Bob that we are on fire.
180 with Bob Mapena.
Kira is here have a Zulu from KwaZulu-Natal to rula mapedi no matsonga le machangana.
Makir mamtoko uchomoki.
Awu mama. Kokai. Utsa Pretoria kai. Ubele uzikai mo Pretoria.
Ubele gathi KZN mara udula.
Why KZN?
Guys KZN.
180 with Bob Mapena. 95.9.
Inkulu lento elwela akulwela ukuthi lo mama umZulu hayi inkulu lento elwela la le ubani lo oyimema manje
Kosienso Ramokhopa.
bathi inite make ubani usiputla
Yeah.
siyanzama sikhipha isiputla sifakela udidiza utlodidiza nifunani bathi yes papa abantu basePitori inkinga yabo asutho asumamthoka inkinga ngabe inkulu thina sinandaba la ekuruleni noma bangafaka bani noma bangafaka uAzidwini osinondaba nayo thina sizenzele ePitori bathi litsulu mo litsulu yo me wari tsibi lo mama lana uthi udama mu ePitori naye use taxi rank izobe baka se taxi rank abamshaya ngilithomba check ufikile mbabulu last tweet baka se taxi rank mamthako lekai bonke njalo ama backstabber lawo bafuna ukulova nje emsebenzini laba asiye emsebenzini singenzani arichise
I blame you actually. You were talking about it last week.
There's a tweet that there's people going around saying mina ngithele country she's
You actually did last week.
ngicela ukusho something namanje ke ngicela country sithele ngamanzi let's see if my words have that power asithele ngamanzi le country wonke umuntu odlulayo akube summer time bro angeka yo bashisa amabhasi abantu abasaya emakliniki abantu abazithola into zabo amapilisi eTB walando abantu bavala ngedispring ude nje sibangatholi idispring uyagulwa ePitori abantu abaya ezikolweni ubaba kayi kovakasha kibo bathi ePitori hey no nami nginechere ePitori umntwana lava ngangikhona ukubona ngolto zoshisana lapha yonke into ePitori go stand still yonke into imile bashisa imibhede batshontshela amaPakistani thina amaPakistani kasa sinandaba nawo sithi hola Mohammed athi hola ngikasha la angayi acha no man mina ndafaka Mohammed ngizaze ngisithathe sonke lesiphice okay Okay.
Shame, man.
Okay. Just for the archer. Take the archer. Epitori bashisa yonke into manje Bob.
Some positives have come out of this. Like, for instance, now if you need a pair of Nikes, you're saying kalamatitis.
Amatitis.
Exactly. That's what's going on now.
Yes, Epitori mnangazi. Epitori yabo amanskral. Bob, I don't understanding the country. One, why over Mangosuthu say president of the IFP? I don't understand that. Do they have a youth party? Who's the president of the youth league, the IFP? No, this is not a joke right now. I'm being serious. No. Maybe try delays. No, man. How could you? Ubani. Toya delays. Toya delays. The president of the youth league. You know this. You didn't know this. You know. We got this. We ain't going nowhere. This is my grandfather's party. Come on now. Ubani youth league president. IFP. Yes, on your kuluma. Citizen mamela yikho laba bakuyena ipresident namanje you don't understand S2 I understand why wonke ama chicken ekasa sekhoneni la ngi understand angazi bathini ngathi why won't chicken part nendawo never and the third thing I understand why ukwena mantasha DJ exactly ukwena mantasha beka DJ kikini zona I will show you the video I will tweet it Bob Gwede, and I know my group. Emma Vuswin is one.
Epitori.
Quizzy Lama Quizzy on the ones and twos. Emma Vuswin. And the side kick and make the language with China. You guys think I'm joking again?
Who quite on the hype man?
Alehela Pavina. Una hype man, Nyama, see that's a mascral. We were a line I am a voice later. Shapa number. I'll show you the video. When you come back here, you'll tell the listeners when my Quizil. Among Amap.
It's terrific. Why we do that?
Again. Apiba Fusendas of Fukanat, Namshanch.
I saw the video. I don't know what to say except to tell you the good news. 2 mega jackpots totaling 40.6 million rand. Yes, that's the estimated jackpot of 36.1 million rand.
Yo, I'm headphones off. I got 2 in
3 point.
Yeah. Black coffee and Janet. First of all, ngalera jacket in the party look. Say my sweat. Baba, Baba, for no vuka number.